Here is just a quick sample of how good the video output quality is on this television using this, given the sacrifice that you do have to make for audio and find you're limited, because the only other way would be your digital video out on the PlayStation 4. So you'd need some way of doing that, a soundbar or stereo system or something like that. But if this is your only means and you don't have this simple adapter can get you in, you know what, no, we're gonna leave that cue and we're gonna go into this one. Hold on while we load here. Again, the fact that it is made to fit the 4:3 aspect ratio on the television gives us, I'd say, a good 2.5 inches on the top and bottom of just regular, you know. But if you don't mind that cinema effect, you'll get used to it. Alright, let's see how well she holds up. It looks really good. I mean, I know recording the television screen looks like shit, I'm sure, but it is not doing it justice. It is incredibly smooth, and there is literally not only no input lag, but I mean, I guess I don't know how to explain it. Is it like frames per second? It's just, it feels smooth like butter. Even better than my television, my 55-inch, as far as looking around. It's so smooth. It seems like my my other television does almost like stutters, maybe. Or it just doesn't do it as smooth. Wow, I suck. Can't talk and play at the same time, eh? Well, I'm trying to talk to give some kind of, since there's no audio. Let's go die over here, buddy. Battlefield 4, PlayStation 4. The best game ever. I highly, highly recommend this game to anybody that likes first-person shooters and is tired of Call of Duty like I was many years ago. I started with Battlefield Bad Company 2, and then Battlefield 3, and then Battlefield 4. I haven't played a Call of Duty game in ages. Anyway, that's just a quick video sample. I don't want this video to get too long. Whoa, we're dying. But I wanted to just express how excellent the video quality is from an HDMI input source to this DVI. I could play on this any day. Alright guys, take care. Bonus footage over.